Okay, today we have an Audi A5 in for the Cabriolet roof restorement. It's having a machine clean and a nano protection coat over the top, which is a minimum of 2 years cover. It's also having the drains flushed and the rubbers rejuvenated with a product which is a Krytox product. And it also has the special offer on the outside. So as we can see, obviously we've got quite a few patches. We've got a bit of dirt down obviously in the creases, just as normal. No major wear marks on the roof at all. There's a little bit of lines just where the dirt's been in, obviously where the fabric is. And as you can see, it's really dirty down the back here, where obviously it catches all the dirt. So let's see what we can do, and let's make it like new again. Here it is, all done. The Audi A5 in for a hood clean and reproof. So this has got the 2-year nano coating on it. As you can see, it is looking a lot better than when it come in. This has also had the rubbers cleaned, which needed cleaning quite a lot because they were green. All the rubbers have been Krytoxed, the drains have been flushed, and it's just looking a lot nicer. It's had the exterior detail, stuck a bit of tyre shine on there. As you can see, the roof is looking lovely.
Amazing.